destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.
My room is 104, where the spring related session is going to be. So I get the energy. Everyone is okay. 104, and the session is Spring Boot and Java. This is the second session which is going on at the same time. Let me check the other one, then I'll come back. Thank you. So this is 106 and so fast track JDK tools for modern software development. Let's try this one. Hey Danny.
Kevin Rushforth, and I'll be talking about what's new and exciting in Java FX.
Okay, cool. Thanks everyone for coming to this presentation on continuous profiling, the fourth pillar of observability. My name is Marcus Hurt. I'm the Director of Engineering for the continuous profiling product at Digital.
This is the place. Okay, so we all are going towards. We are going towards the pavilion, Tower Pavilion, where they are going to serve the meal again tonight. So I'm here to get some drinks, lemonade, maybe iced tea. So this is the scene at the pavilion where everyone is having a lunch break. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm back at my place. This looks good, and look at this Java cup. I'm here having my noodles. So they have this gym here. Going back from lunch. The lunch was okay. Okay, so I'm getting my t-shirt here. I'm going to find a session which is more interesting for me. These are drinks and we are are going to find that session. It should be. So this one is 2. So I'm going upstairs because room number 2 or 3 there is there.
I've spent the last 10 years trying to get Java to efficiently run code on GPUs, and the question that's, spoiler alert.
So this is how it looks like. We have 2 floors here.
Directed graph with probabilities. I thought was really, really cool. And I had some spare time before I actually did my presentation. It's not just about coding, but it's incorporating all kinds of other patterns.
React.js, so you can choose.
Oh, okay, so here are some of the stalls. Okay, so I got this book signed by the author, Ian F. Darwin. And it looks like an interesting book, and I'm planning to read it. Okay, this is some kit. I don't know what's inside. They were given to all the attendees. And then this t-shirt, the conference with this logo. Okay, so these stickers for our laptop. So here we have multiple ribbons that says different things like I love Java, my Java, my first JavaOne, and caffeinated by Java. I am one with Java.